Oh,
in the fridge.
put some stuff on it.
And then,
It's got in my hand now.
how does it work?
How does what work?
You've got ink all over this thing. So
Yes.
see it for me. Nice shades. Well,
You don't give us sex.
You can film us if you want. We've got Matt's camera.
Please clean
You look
light
like
off
a
on the
perfect,
garment beneath the stain and for
film
emotions.
guy.
We don't put with Jackie back
Stain
Yeah.
with the solution. Leave solution. Work for 3
Wait,
minutes.
was he actually going to film it?
Yeah. I was being serious.
She's actually being serious as well.
You're a strange
Rachel,
child.
I went that. Sexy.
I look stupid with sunglasses.
Wait, I need to put my glasses on so I can see you.
Oh, these are really wide.
Oh, it's not. Oh, it's actually coming out already. Oh, that's epic.
Cool.
Magic.
Are these... They go with your jacket. You look
My
stupid right now.
jacket.
Anything else in there?
Look cool.
I mean, anything
Next,
else?
stand like this. So,
Like, be able to get some water.
leg up. Yeah, there we go. Feels so cool right now.
Say, I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Yeah.
You want to put ice cream in?
Turn it off.
It takes ages to turn on. Oh, we do. Oh, it's Ben and Jerry's, I think. I can't see. I can't tell the lights on. There we go. Oh, we have Ben and Jerry's. Oh no, we don't have
Some aerials. What have we got?
Oh, Meg. Meg, stop it.
Oh, it's got marshmallows in. She's going to... Oh, what?
What's Kevin?
What are you going to fuck?
Oh, can we
What's
just...
it in?
No, can we look around and eat ice cream?
No, I've got spoons.
Oh.
Ashley, come back again. She's going to turn off the light.
I want to come back. Good day.
Yes, we're having sex.
Okay.
We'll eat ice cream and have sex without you.
We put ice cream on each other. When we
And lick it off, yeah.
yeah. You were actually filming this?
Yes. You do realise it's got sound as well.
That's a me. This is going to go on YouTube, isn't it?
Yes.
Well, you had to film this Spanish
Wait,
washing
you want to
machine.
spin a letter?
What's been spin a letter?
Oh, you missed all the noise I was doing. I put out like that. I was just like, oh.
Was some ice cream out? Are you filming a washing machine?
Ice cream. Ben Jerry's in it.
It's meant to be.
Not bad,
I think it's just a crap version of Ben and Jerry's with spoons. It's got marshmallow in either way.
That's stiff.
That's what he said. Oh, it's not spinning. Do you want to film it? No,
Yeah, I'm still filming it.
He's filming the washing machine.
It's not going on my YouTube channel.
Going on mine.
Here's what I was saying that we're going to have sex.
With ice cream licking it off each other.
Matt, how many subscribers do you have?
300 odd. Well, how many do you have?
Wait, you actually have like 300 subscribers.
Seriously, I've got 300
There's a lot of
subscribers.
weirdos like watching washing machines out there.
What is that what I'm saying? Just washing machine.
This way.
I'd subscribe.
This way, Meg. This way.
Wait. Does it look like the mouthful or something, right?
Alright. If it's your family.
Yeah, this is my family's ice cream. I'm gonna have to put it away in the bin.
There's only like one spoonful left.
No, that's mean. Right, away it's going now.
Oh, am I? Flat butt. Aquarius postcards. Reverse looks more as well. At least Meg Mullen washes her underwear correctly. Oh.
Well, I know this one, I think this is the bright side.
Yay, it actually works well. Properly.
Meg, where's the volume on this thing? Where's the volume on this thing?
Oh, so let's see what's this. It's all anyway. Having fun?
Yeah.
I like it.
Very sad. Everyone who's watching this video is sad and needs a life.
Meg also understands that I have Asperger's and she knows.
Oh,
At least you're not obsessed with Pokemon.
Who's obsessed with Pokemon? Oh yeah, Meg is!
And the kid with Asperger's from high school.
Everyone's obsessed with Pokemon with me. He's a great, I don't want to get it. That guy.
Meg, who sings this?
You think what?
On your
no, I
pod.
didn't. Very self-conscious of now. Every time I've got a mood like mood map, there's a corner down.
Doing your mat.
Yes.
What are you talking about me shoving coins down her ass crack every time she shows it?
Yes.
Yes! I haven't put any coins down it yet, I just put some pen down it. and then I slumped on it in maths.
Oh yeah.
I look, maybe on Saturday, 8:15ish outside my house. Because we can tell Friday. 3 p.m.
We can scare them away, but it's not lesbians.
So that entice them.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You just pull it off.
I probably would.
You probably like touch it up their ass. It's like, hey.
I probably would. Hey, it's a 6 day good. You see, finally found it. So just get back in it, it's just I lost it. Yeah.
I like it, whichever it is.
No idea.
So this is your iPod.
I know it is. I listen to the song, just know
Now dance fucking.
See the old chorus.
It was
Are
really
you singing on your YouTube video?
Yeah, I do it all the time.
Sad.
So you were headbanging then.
But I usually end up putting my own music on anyway.
It's the only reason you're friends with me, so you could film that washing machine.
What?
It's the only reason you're friends with me, because you can film that washing machine.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, not really. I do it to anyone though. It's like can film washer.
No!
What song is it?
Don't get Right,
It's on too many times.
well, then that's how it.
I can never get sick of this song.
Ashley's touching your helmet.
Come on.
She's touching your helmet.
Yeah, she is. Who is?
Ashley.
What's funny about the helmet?
You're touching Matt's helmet.
Yeah.
I got a big helmet.
Helmet?
Helmet.
Okay, that's what we're gonna do.
Yes, we are.